This is the polytunnel. We are in the polytunnel and I want to harvest something, but I'm so much spoiled for choice that I'm going actually to only pick the sizes that I feel will fit in these jars. And let's see if I can find any cucumber that will fit in this size of jars. One small, one bigger. Okay, will this fit in this jar? I'm not sure. It's a little bit, a tad bigger. That's too big. Of course, this is the melon, so definitely this cannot be a good pickle, probably. And anyway, I will have a better fruit if I let it just grow. So this is a little bit big. So I think this jar is my better option. So I'm going to harvest these ones. Oh, that one doesn't fit there. I don't know how I missed this. It's very huge. Okay, now I put aside this very big one and we will see what remains. Yeah, I think we have a good selection actually to fill up this one. And even some of the very smaller ones probably can go in this. We will see. Or I can cut even this bigger one and just put them inside, but that's all the choices that we have. Too many choices. So that will be lovely. Nice harvest for a 6x3 polytunnel with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cucumber plants, but not all of them are big enough to get. When I saw it's so good season, I just planted a few more. They are yet young. Okay, these are my pickle jars, and I fitted as much as I can the cucumbers in it. This is the salt solution, brine solution, 40 gram per liter. So this is around 1.5 liter. Let's just fill up and see how much it takes. I will show you the result when I've done it. Okay, now it is full of brine, and now I'll cover it with a tissue, kitchen towel tissue, and then put an elastic band around it. And now this is the 2 jars of the probiotic gherkin or cucumber pickled in a 40 gram to 1 liter brine solution, salt solution. I added some garlic cloves and some coriander seeds and a little bit dried dill into this. That's the way the probiotic in Persia they make it in Iran. And this is 2 jars, and beside the previous jar that I've made there, this will be also the use of our abundant cucumbers from the polytunnel, DIY polytunnel that we built in May.